Tomorrow's Challenge Monday is one of my favorites. It's a really fun one. Adds a little bit of competition, a little bit of strategy as well. All right, and also two of my favorite movements. All right, bench press and deadlift. So this one's called the push and pull 150, and here's how it works. So we're going to be using two exercises for this challenge: bench press and deadlifts. The goal is to get 150 points. All right, now how do you get points? Okay, you can use any weight you want. All right, for the bench press and for the deadlift, all right? Between 135, 225, and 315. Every rep of 315 gets you 3 points, every rep of 225 gets you 2, and every rep of 135 gets you 1. You can use any weight for either one of the lifts. So I can use 135 for bench press, I can use 225 for deadlift. Alternate back and forth and add points as I go. You can also change weights anytime you want. So if I wanted to start with 315 on deadlift, all right, rack up 3 points per rep, all right, start to get fatigued a little bit towards the end, all right, I can bump that down to 225 or even 135, all right, and continue to accumulate points, all right? So hopefully that makes sense. I would load up something for bench press, something for deadlift, alternate back and forth, pick which weight you think is going to help you get the 150 points the quickest, all right, and roll. Now, as far as scaled options go, okay, if you want to scale it back a little bit, you can do it a couple different ways. One, you can just lower the total amount of points that you need to get to. So instead of going to 150, you can go to 100, or you can even go to 50. Or you can scale back the weight. So just as an example, I could use 95 pounds for my 1-point reps, 135 for my 2-point reps, and 185 for my 3-point reps, and still work up to 150, all right? The goal is to figure out what makes sense for you. This should be a relatively quick workout, a relatively quick challenge, all right? More of a sprint kind of a mindset, all right? But figure out what works for you, what makes sense for you, what's gonna make it challenging, but also kind of make it fun as well, all right? Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do have any questions, just drop them below in the comments, and I'll try to get to every single one of those, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.